everyone, ready for one more lesson? On today's dica, we will teach you how to make a Brazilian sonho recipe. Ready to cook? The name sonho can be translated as dream because of its unique and delicious flavor, which is just like a dream. The biggest difference between these two sweets is the filling. Here in Brazil, we use confectioner's cream, and in Germany, people use marmalade or jam. Now, let's learn how to prepare it.
4 xícaras de farinha de trigo, 1 xícara de leite quente, 3 colheres de manteiga, óleo vegetal, pitada de sal, 2 gemas, 120 gramas de fermento, 3 colheres de sopa de açúcar, 2 xícaras de leite, 3 colheres de sopa de amido de milho, meia xícara de açúcar, 4 gemas, 1 colher de chá de essência de baunilha.
Easy, right? I hope you like our dica and don't forget to follow us on Facebook and Instagram, okay? See you! Bye!